Hi guys, what I have here is called a fuse finder. So meron itong dalawang part. One is the transmitter and this one is the receiver. And as the name implies, ito ay ginagamit to locate a fuse or a circuit breaker. No? And how to use this is you have to connect this on one end of the circuit for a particular socket. You need to use this one where you can plug this into this and then plug it into a socket, and then this will illuminate, and then you go to a distribution board where potentially nandun yung circuit breaker para do sa circuit na kung saan ito nakakonekta, and then you find it using this receiver at magbibigay ito ng audio and visual signal pag natapat dun sa circuit breaker or pretty close. But today may problema ako. Andito ako sa location ng last sump pump na kailangan ko i-hardwire. Ipinlag ko to sa existing socket, and I went to the switch rooms kung saan potentially nandun yung circuit breaker para dun sa circuit, pero hindi ko makita. So what I'm gonna do now is to use this to trace the cable or the wiring from this end to wherever it will lead me. Okay, I will show you. Ito yung last sump pump na kailangan ko i-hardwire into this. Ayan yung socket. Nakikita nyo, ayan, may power siya. Pero hindi ko nahanap yung circuit breaker. So what I'm gonna do now is to trace from here all the way to wherever the breaker is using this. So yung wire niyan ay nasa loob ng conduit. From there goes to this metal conduit all the way down there. So kailangan kong i-trace using the fuse finder. And my idea is, if it works to find the circuit breaker, sure it would work to find the live wire, no? So if I open one of this box, I should be able to get a signal kung as long as nandun yung wire o yung supply for that particular socket. Okay, let's go over there. So ayun yung dulo ng basement namin, guys. At nandito ako sa malapit sa kanto. So binuksan ko itong isang box dito. So let's see. So ayan, nakita nyo, umilaw siya. Ibig sabihin ito, nandito yung wire papunta doon. So I'll go upstream papunta dyan, and then kung saan man ako makarating. Dito guys, mayroong isang box na bukas na. So tingnan natin. So ayan, may signal pa rin. Okay, let's move on. Over here guys, yung conduit ay bumaba papunta dito sa metal trunking. So I need to find where this trunking goes. Ito guys, may bukas na part yung trunking dito. Tingnan natin kung may signal pa rin. Yes, I'm still getting, although ayun oh. Okay, so tama yung ating direction, pero yung trunking dito ay bumaba at I think umakyat papunta sa riser. Ayun oh, umakyat sa ground floor. So akyat tayo ngayon sa ground floor kung saan umakyat tong metal trunking na to. Pero baka hindi ako makapag-video doon kasi open to public yun. Okay. At nandito na ako sa loob ng riser at kung saan umakyat yung metal trunking. At swerte naman na mayroong gap sa takip ng metal trunking, enough para makakuha ako ng signal. Still getting signal. Mula dito ay umakyat ang trunking papuntang kisame, Hindi ko na nakuha ng video but it led me to this switch room at ito ang nakita ko. Ito ang load schedule ng isa sa mga distribution board at makikita nyo na ang circuit 31L1 ay may description na socket in basement duct. At dito ay gagamitin ko ngayon ang fuse finder to confirm kung nandito nga yung circuit breaker. Haha, jackpot. Okay. Ite-turn off ko ngayon ang circuit breaker na ito at i-check ko kung namatay ang indicator light ng transmitter. At mula sa siwang sa riser na ito, ay makikita ko na namatay nga ang indicator light ng transmitter. I have now confirmed na tama yung circuit breaker na aking i-turn off and that I have successfully located the circuit breaker using the fuse finder. I'm back dito sa basement guys. Kinuha ko lang yung transmitter ng fuse finder. So, I successfully found the circuit breaker using the fuse finder. It wasn't easy. I had to open several conduit box, had to open metal trunking, and then when it went upstairs, I had to get a ladder, go above the ceiling and trace it there. But in the end, I managed to find it using a fuse finder, which wasn't really intended for that use. So minsan kailangan lang ng konting diskarte to get the job done. So I hope may natutunan kayo today. Okay, until next time, bye bye.